Hey baby, I hear the blues are calling, tossed salads and scrambled eggs.
Frick, that's the wrong show. That's much better. Welcome to Canned Cooking! Today we'll be making Chile Frijol. Now this isn't very fancy, but it's a simple and good chili recipe, so let's get cooking! You will need an assortment of beans. I like to use 8 cans of chili-style beans, 1 20-ounce can of pinto beans, 3 cans of black beans, and 4 cans of dark red kidney beans. But you can vary the amounts and try using light red kidney beans or Great Northern beans. For this you'll need a 20-ounce can of tomato sauce and 2 cans of diced tomatoes with onions and garlic. You can use different sauces, but this was my favorite blend, but you could probably use fresh onions or garlic to make it taste even better. The next thing you'll need is some vegan ground beef, preferably some Gardein because it's a lot safer and tastes just as good. And now you'll need 2 packets of chili spices, salt, pepper, and optionally you may add some ground cumin, garlic powder, chili powder, and cayenne pepper. To cook this you'll need to drain your beans except for the chili style ones and pour them into a large pot. Then add the sauce and some water depending on how soupy you want your chili to be. Then add the salt, pepper, and optionally the other spices, but hang on to the packets of chili spices, and put the pot at medium-high. Make sure you scrape the bottom, but if the bottom of the pot feels bumpy, then don't scrape it too much, or the char will definitely ruin the chili. Now you want to grab a pan or a skillet and brown the ground, but right before it's done, toss in those chili packets at the meat to toast the spices a little. When it's done, add to the chili and cook until it's warm. Now, if you're not serving it, I'd recommend simmering it and stirring occasionally, but if you're bringing this to a potluck or maybe Thanksgiving, then try your hardest not to spill it. When serving, you can optionally top it with saltines or oyster crackers, some shredded cheese, some sour cream, and a little ketchup to amp up the tomato flavor. And with that, we have reached the end. Sub for more like this, and check out Binging with Babish. The intro was inspired by one of his vids. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and see you later, and keep on cooking.